When you walk into a room, the first thing you notice isn't the furniture, it's the walls. Bare walls can make even a beautiful room feel empty, while the right decor can completely transform the atmosphere. That's the magic of wall decor. It's simple, affordable, and capable of changing the entire character of a space with just a few thoughtful choices. Wall decor isn't just about filling up empty space. It's about expressing personality. It's about bringing warmth, depth, and identity into a room. Whether you love modern minimalism, cozy bohemian textures, or bold statement art, there's a style for everyone. One of the most popular trends today is creating feature walls. A feature wall is a single wall decorated differently from the rest, maybe with textured wallpaper, a splash of color, or a large artwork. It instantly becomes the focal point of the room. Even in small spaces, a feature wall can add incredible dimension without overwhelming the area. Another powerful decor element is wall art. This doesn't have to be expensive paintings. It can be framed prints, canvas photographs, fabric panels, or even DIY pieces made from everyday materials. The key is choosing art that reflects your mood and personality, something that makes you feel good each time you look at it. For those who love a cozy, handcrafted feel, macrame and woven wall hangings are perfect. Their texture adds softness to a room and makes the space feel more inviting. You can go big with an oversized statement piece, or choose a set of smaller ones to create a curated gallery effect. Speaking of galleries, gallery walls are one of the most creative ways to personalize a room. Mix frames of different sizes, shapes, and textures. Include photos, artwork, quotes, or even small objects. A well-designed gallery wall can turn a simple hallway or living room corner into a conversation piece. If you prefer something more functional, floating shelves offer decor with purpose. Arrange small plants, candles, books, or souvenirs. The result is a decor piece that's both aesthetic and practical. Shelves also let you refresh your wall decor constantly without drilling new holes or changing major things. Plants are another rising trend in wall decor. Vertical planters or wall-mounted greenery bring life into a room and create a natural, calming environment. Even one wall filled with hanging plants can completely change the mood of the space. For a modern touch, LED wall accents are becoming incredibly popular. Soft backlighting behind art frames or panels creates depth, elegance, and a contemporary feel, perfect for bedrooms, gaming rooms, and media walls. And finally, never underestimate the power of mirrors. A well-placed mirror makes small rooms feel bigger, brighter, and more open. Round mirrors, geometric mirrors, and full-length pieces are now key decor trends across interior design. Wall decor is more than just decoration, it's storytelling. Your walls reflect your taste, your memories, your creativity. With just a few pieces, you can turn any ordinary room into a space that feels alive, warm, and uniquely yours. If you're redesigning your space or planning a makeover, start with your walls. They set the tone for everything else.